Hey everyone, for this video, I will show you how to add a privacy policy to your Wix. First, go to Page and Menu, then click on Add Page. Now choose Blank Page so that you will have a page for privacy policy. You can name that page as Privacy Policy and click Done. Now drag it down, and as you can see on the top part, it has an option for privacy policy. What you need to do is click on the three dots beside that page and hide it from menu. Now it is now gone from the upper menu. Now go into another tab, then search for free privacy policy generator. Scroll down until you see this site. Now choose website and continue. Now just paste in your website URL and type the name of your website. You can choose from these options. Now enter your country and the state and click on next step. Now just select on what kind of personal information you collect from users, then next. Also select on how can users contact you. If you choose email, just type in your email, then click next step. Here you can choose for a premium one or a free one. Then next. Now just type in your email address for you to receive the privacy policy that they made. Then click on generate. Now you have your privacy policy. You can copy your privacy policy's HTML, then go back to your site. Now on the left panel, click Add Elements, choose Embed Code, and embed HTML. Now just enter the code, and your privacy policy will be shown. You can adjust it according to your page, and also adjust the page for it to accommodate the length of your privacy policy. Another option for you to integrate your privacy policy, go to your privacy generator and click on Generate Files. Now you can download it, open it once done, then copy your privacy policy. Now go back to your site, delete your first one, then click on Add Elements and choose Text and click on Paragraphs. Here you can choose a font that you want and just paste in what you copied earlier. Now you can adjust its size. Here it is a better option compared to HTML as you can edit it, unlike on HTML. Once done on editing, go to the sidebar, click on Page and Menu, and go to Home. Now scroll down until the bottom part. Click on Add Elements and choose Text. Choose Titles, and you can select a font that you want. Now type in Privacy Policy, drag it to a place where you want it to be. Then you can change its size. Now click again on the element and click the link icon on the upper part. Then you can choose whether it opens a new window or a current one. Now click on which page and choose privacy policy or the page that you made for it. Now you can preview it, and once they click on privacy policy text, it will lead them to your privacy policy page. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.